My name is Elizabeth Holloman, and before my accident, prior to it, I was a happy-go-lucky person. I worked. I was very active. I was an avid shopper. I mean, I did everything a normal person would do before the accident. I was very healthy at that point. After my car accident, my life was very limited. I suffered from severe headaches. I had double vision. I had just everything you could imagine. I was just really, I could not turn my neck. I had no range of motion basically in my neck. So when I came to Sterling, I was a little apprehensive once I came in for the first evaluation. But once I walked in, the atmosphere it just sort of changed. When I walked in, I was greeted. Everybody was smiling. Everybody was, they just felt like they were so understanding because they knew what I was going through and how I felt. When they introduced me to Dr. Spurrier, I was kind of surprised because before I had another doctor that had recommended a different procedure for me. But then Dr. Spurrier, he came right in and he was like, well, I think I would recommend this surgery for you. Did anyone tell you about an ADR surgery where we can go in and we can replace the disc in your neck? That way you won't have to have the procedure where they put the metal rods and screws in your neck, which would limit your range of motion. And he did it right away. It was only maybe like 3 or 4 days before I was in surgery. So once I got into the surgery, after I found out what the procedure was gonna be, he whisked me into surgery and he whisked me out. And the next thing I knew, I was next door at the hospital. He said I was doing fine. And I stayed overnight at the hotel next door. And I had a nurse to check in on me. I thought that was just the most wonderful thing in the world. She wanted to check to make sure I was doing okay after the surgery. So once that was over with, like I said, there was very little downtime. I went home, and in less than a week, I was automatically feeling better. I needed no therapy. I had to wear no neck brace at all. And like I said, it was like this man had a miracle cure for me. But it was a very trying time. It was a very sensitive time for me, but he helped me through all of it, him and his staff. And I want to thank all of them from the bottom of my heart for, the way this all turned out, because I feel great now.